Gmail is like a magic mailbox where you can send and receive messages to your friends and family who also have a Gmail account. Just like how you send letters to your friends, you can send messages through Gmail to your friend's email address. It's really fun and easy to use, and you can even send pictures and videos too. Firstly, you need to go to www.google.com on your computer or phone. Then click on Gmail, which will be at the top of the page. After that, click on Create Account, which will guide you to create a new account. Now, you will need to enter your name, date of birth, mobile number or alternate email address, gender, and country. Next, you will need to choose your email ID. Enter the email address you want and click on Check Availability. For example, sunita04 at gmail.com. If the email address is available, the next step will be to set a password. Set a strong password that is at least 8 characters long and is a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Next, click on Next and agree to the terms and conditions. Your Gmail account will now be successfully created, and you can start using your new account. Share your Gmail ID with your friends and family to send and receive mails from them.